All right, hello and welcome back. Today we're starting a new section, and this is going to be articles and demonstratives, okay? And in this particular lesson, we're going to focus on three very important words in English. A, and the, okay? These little words appear all the time. But for many ESL learners, they can be confusing because they change depending on whether we're talking about something in general or something more specific, okay? So an article is a small word that comes before a noun. In English, the main articles are a, and the, okay? Listen to these examples. A book, an apple, the teacher. The article helps the listener understand what kind of noun we're talking about. Are we talking about any book or one specific book? Okay? Are we introducing something for the first time? Or are we talking about something the listener already knows? Okay? That's the basic idea behind articles. Okay? Okay, so let's begin with a and an, okay? We use a or a and an before singular countable nouns. When we're talking about something general or when we mention something for the first time, okay? For example, I saw a dog. She bought a book. He is eating an apple. They live in an apartment. In these examples, we're not talking about one specific dog or book or apple or apartment. We're simply introducing it, okay? The listener does not know which dog yet, and the listener does not know which book yet, okay? So we use a or an. Okay, so let's talk more specifically about when to use a or a, okay? Use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a car, a teacher, a house, a student. Listen to these sentences. I have a question. She works in a school. He bought a new phone. The word after a begins with a consonant sound, so we use a, okay? Now, when to use an, okay? We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound, okay? And this is important, and this is always a challenge for ESL learners, people that are learning English. And of course, the vowel sounds are usually connected to the letters A, E, I, O, U. So, listen carefully. You would say an apple, because apple starts with an A, a vowel sound, okay? An egg, an idea, okay? So here's a few example full sentences. She ate an apple. I have an idea. He needs an umbrella. The word after an begins with a vowel sound, so that's why we're using an instead of a or a, okay? So here is the important rule. With a and an, the sound is more important than the spelling, okay? For example, an hour, a university. Why do we say an hour, okay? Because the letter H is silent, okay? The word sounds like it begins with a vowel sound, hour, okay? So we say an hour. It sort of contradicts the rule, but this is just normal, conventional English speaking, okay? Now look at this example. A university. The word university begins with the letter U, okay? But it sounds like you, Y-O-U, okay? So that's a consonant sound, okay? So like I said, the sound is more important than the spelling, okay? It can be a little bit confusing. So we would say a university. not an university. Here's a few more examples. An honest person, a useful tool, an unusual idea, a European country. Okay? So always remember to listen to the sound, not only the first letter. Okay? Use the when we're talking about something specific or something already mentioned, or something both speaker and listener already understand. I saw a dog. The dog was friendly. Use a or an for one general thing, and use the for one specific thing. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.